Butterfly 3D Deco light is one of many cool products from 3D Light Effects. The 3D Deco light is battery operated, and since it uses LED lights, you'll never have to change the bulbs. It also never gets hot, so it's not only cool to the eye, it's also cool to the touch. Because the light is cordless, you won't be restricted by outlet locations, making it possible to place it anywhere in the room. The coolest feature of the 3D Deco light is the leaf sticker, which is included. Once installed, it will appear as though the branch is growing through your wall. The butterfly is a perfect addition to any decor. Be sure to check out the simple leaf sticker instructional video before installing your 3D Deco light.